Okay, I'll run the bot right here, right now. I set my price drop threshold to 0, so it's going to auto buy. And then every time it drops another 0.69%, it's going to auto buy 1.69 times more than my original buy amount. And then over here, I have a calculator. So I can click this, change it to like 0.01, and then it'll change my calculations. And that way I know that 1.69 times my previous buy will be this amount for every buy. So I need a total of 2.7 ETH if I want to do 10 buys. So if I have 1.6, I can do 9 buys. So if I have less than 2 ETH, I can change my max buys to 6, change this to 0.01, and now my DCA will buy 1.69 times more than 0.01, which will be 1.6 ETH total if it drops approximately, what, 5.5%? And then I can set my stop loss to 5.92, so if it keeps dropping, I just go ahead and sell and restart the bot all over again. And you do your DCA strategy, and I'm running it on Dino. So let me go ahead and run it. I gotta save all. And then down here, I hit up arrow key once, and it auto pops up the last thing. So it's super fast to run. So it's gonna go ahead and auto buy a little bit of Dino. I'll show you in a second. It pops up in the chart. It just popped up right there. And now it's set to monitor any buy or sell transaction that comes in on this chart right now will show up right here. And this is what it looks like after you sell. It shows your profit. I didn't use the P&L tracker, so it's showing infinity. I just sold immediately. We'll talk about that later. But this is how the bot runs. Hopefully somebody buys or sells really quick so I can show you it actually working. This is what it does when you're looking for a buy. If I were to set the price drop threshold above 0, it's monitoring. So every time something happens on the chart, it's showing you exactly what's going on and how far away you are from your target. So I went ahead and just auto bought. And now there's your P&L update. So somebody sold $1,800 and now it's telling you all of the information. You're down this much. This is how much it's gone down. When it goes down 0.69%, it's going to buy again. This is your next buy amount. 1 out of 6. Remember how we set it up here? And it gives you all of the information. What your profit is currently. How much I'm going to sell. How much I bought. Timestamp. Everything. So you 100% got your own deck screener. You don't even need this anymore. But anyways, I hope this gives you a better idea of how they work. You have 100% control. This is all the bots over here. I give everybody, I have a scanner bot that works. You can run the scanner. So this is scanning all of the price data of our top tokens that we put in there. This takes about 10 seconds. And then I'll show you. This just kind of gives you an example of what's moving. It's scanning based off of volume and volatility. So whichever has the most volatility and volume, it's going to give it a score. And that score represents which one's better for trading. So right now it's saying Dino is the best for trading. It's up 0.87% in the last 15 minutes. And it's got it. You can scroll up and see all the details and data of all the token activity. At the top, it tells you number 1, number 2, number 3, KeyCap Virtual. Tells you all the score metrics. But it's pretty cool. I give a lot of little cool scripts to our community members, and it's very worth it to be here. So come join us.